Hi and welcome back to Trinity Stamps YouTube channel. My name is Emily Hessler and today I created 3 different Christmas tags and I have them here to share with you. I used 2 different products from Trinity Stamps. I used the seasonal mini cup Decor and More die set and also the narrow card and bookmark die set. The second one was previously released and this one was released now in November. So that's a newer one. I started off, I wanted this to look like a Santa and I decided to go ahead and create the beard with just some white piece of cardstock and just paint that myself. And if I can do it, I think probably anybody could do it because I'm really bad at painting. So I just did that and had it as a guide and cut it out. I also used the same tag die just to get the stitching around the edges of my beard. And then I placed everything again. You will see I will go ahead and die cut a couple of more pieces to create our other 2 tags. And you will see a black penguin here and also a white tag that will look like a snowman, or yes, a snowman. So I'm gonna show you how I assembled all of my tags now on screen, and it was really easy. I just used some liquid glue from Nuvo, and also my sentiment will come from different die sets and stamp sets from Trinity Stamps. I will have them linked down below for you if you're interested in which ones I was using. You can see I'm using my grid line here on my mat, just making sure I get the belt of Santa's in the right place, or centered or straight, I would say. I decided to go ahead and just use 2 buttons here, and the sentiment will say for you. So this tag you probably can use for a Christmas present for the kids' teachers, or a gift for any relatives or your kids or whatever. I think they are just fun to have and add to your presents, and especially if they are, I think it's kind of fun with tags if there are a gift that you are giving that isn't a large gift, like a flower or chocolate or a candle or something like that you're giving away. I would probably say I will use these for my kids. One of my kids are at the preschool, so she will probably give this to her teachers, I think. My other kid is just a month old, so he is not on preschool yet, even though they grow up fast. So anyway, enough about me. Let's get back to this tag. I will use this as a reference, and you probably think I'm crazy because it's just a lot of dots, and I die cut this twice because I lost some of I think this will look like stones for the snowman's face, so I lost some of the stones and I had to go in and do it once more, and I didn't pay attention to where I die cut this, so it got over the other one and it was kind of hard to use as a reference. But I think if you would do something like this, it's probably good to do it like this, so you have a reference, so you get them spaced out perfectly. I used the other pieces for a scarf, and they will get some arms here, they will hang off, and I think that also is something that is really fun with tags. You can go outside your paper and make it a little bit more alive. If it's a card that you want to fit in an envelope, you cannot do that, so if you want deliver it personally. So this is something I think is fun for the holidays. And I also gave the penguin some wiggly eyes, and I like how that make him pop a little bit more. I used my shimmer pen on the cheeks and on the nose, and also for the letters here on Santa. And I think also on the buttons I will use this. I really think that finished this tag off. And then I will leave you with some close-ups, and I hope you like this product. If you did, please subscribe to our channel and like this video and leave a comment. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!